A college degree used to be your ticket in. Now it might be your most expensive mistake. Because the jobs that were supposed to train the next generation of professionals are quietly disappearing. Not senior jobs, not executive jobs. The entry-level jobs, the internships, the junior roles, the first rung of the ladder. And the scary part is, most people still think the market is just tough right now. It's not. The structure itself is changing. AI is starting to automate the exact tasks junior employees used to do. And if no one gets hired at the bottom, no one climbs to the top. In this video, I'll show you why companies are quietly cutting off the bottom of the career ladder. For decades, the career ladder followed a simple logic. You started small. You learned the basics. You made mistakes. You got better, and slowly, you climbed. Entry-level jobs were never glamorous. They were repetitive, underpaid, often boring, but they served a critical purpose. They trained the future middle class. Junior analysts cleaned up spreadsheets. Junior marketers wrote rough drafts. Junior developers fixed simple bugs. Junior legal staff reviewed documents and summarized research. It wasn't efficient. It wasn't elegant. But that was the point. Now look at what AI does well. It writes first drafts. It summarizes documents. It analyzes data. It generates code. AI is not just replacing labor. It is replacing training. So why is this happening now? Why are companies cutting off the bottom of the ladder? Junior employees have always been an investment. They cost time. They need supervision. They make mistakes. And for months, sometimes years, they produce less than they consume. AI changes that math. Now a manager can use one tool to draft reports, summarize meetings, organize data. The kind of work that once justified an entry-level hire is now handled by software. It becomes, how much headcount can we avoid? That's the silent killer, not mass layoffs, not dramatic headlines, just fewer openings. Fewer internships, fewer junior roles. They just don't want to pay to create seniors anymore, because the crisis isn't just unemployment, it's invisibility. So if the old path is disappearing, what replaces it? The answer is not to panic. And it's not to compete with AI by working harder. The real move is to become someone who can use AI better than the average worker. They're looking for leverage. They'll be the people who can show proof of work, a strong portfolio, clear output, real projects, write, build, publish, document your work. Use AI to compress the learning curve. Start training yourself for the system that's replacing it. If you want to stay competitive in the new AI economy, subscribe now. This is just the beginning.